Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove background noise in InShot. So you have problem with your noise or your video, too much noise in your video, so noisy, there is a unwanted sound in your video. So it's very easy. If you want to remove it, just install this app InShot. So after that, you can open your project, your video in here. So by tapping your video, for example this one, you can tap your video here and try to search the sound feature or audio feature. This one, you can tap this purple bar, and this one you can use this feature, the noise. You can tap it and try to hear the sound of your video. After that, you can tap this check button, so to hear the more clean audio, please use the noise in InShot app. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.